We're on our way to South Haven. Gonna go try to catch a few little trout in the stream and off this little dam. So we just went down a dead end hill. So now we gotta go all the way this way. We made it to the road we're supposed to be on. So literally they chill in between these two poles and then it like drops down about like 3 feet and we just stand right here. It's like up to our like right above our knees kinda, depends where you stand. And literally we cast right there and we should literally we're just like standing in the middle of a stream. And yeah. Oh yeah. We use dough. I don't know why, we just do. That's how we roll. Because it works. Alright, come on, I need a fish. There we go.
Oh shit.
Little baby guy.
Oh shit, I got a line.
What did you do?
What did you do? You can't go and go.
Come on. Can you calm down? So I could save you?
Oh, there's my hook.
Little baby. Oh, he's bleeding.
Oh.